Chained Product Bundles for WooCommerce. See what this plugin can do for you. Chained Product Bundle for WooCommerce makes it easy to create custom bundles and package deals directly from your store. Top 12 features of Chained Product Bundle for WooCommerce. Front-end overview is shown next. Here, you can see Bundle Product 1, complete with detailed bundle discounts and a clear list of included products in bundle. You can easily set the bundle quantity to purchase and even define the maximum quantity limit for each bundle. Each item in the bundle can be marked as required or optional. You can also apply discounts on selected products within the bundle or set specific quantities to purchase. The plugin is fully compatible with product variations, so attributes like size, color, or quantity work perfectly. Once everything's set, simply select your options and click Add to Cart. And just like that, your bundle is successfully added. Now let's head over to the cart to see how your product bundle appears in real time. Thank you for watching. Contact us if you have any questions.